Alright, here we go. Subterfuge Box Break number 94. My Tuesday shindig. And starting off, Todd won the spacer bonus. So you're going to get the Toonie Mem spacer number 2 out of 56. And I'm going to send you a pack of Crown Royal too. And here's the pack that you picked a moment ago. So we're going to open it up. Let's see what you got. Heroes and Prospect Duels, Guy Lafleur and Esposito. Got Jonathan Tays. We got Nicholas Lidstrom. Some kind of parallel. We got Yager. And Neely. And yep, that's right. Got a David Krejci rookie card, a quad diamond of Mike Gartner, a Terry Sawchuk 50s inserts, and a Rick Nash star out of $9.99. So those are for you, Todd. Thank you very much. Let's get on with the break. The players this evening. Yeah, I don't know. Got Sean, All for Kinds, Johnny, Riley, Chalmerson's in. Derek 80, a long time. Stock Exchanges is back. Dallas is a drop team. Got Crow, we got Hammond, we got Todd, we got Tidwell, we got Mrs. O, we got Sigpaw back, J Mills is back, Tom is back, and our new bidder from eBay, 1976 Bork, and Teeks, the Godfather, picked up a couple teams, and we got Justin with the Nux. Yeah, I record it for YouTube, so no worries. You'll get your link in a bit. And we're going to roll for the drop team. Who's going to get Dallas for this break? Number 8 is Stock Exchanges. You got Dallas. And for the free team next Monday is number 15 and Montreal, and that's Stock Exchanges. 2 for 2. You got Montreal free next Monday, buddy. There you go. And we're going to move on to our Blue and White Forever. If you haven't seen it, and one of you hasn't, I assume. I'm going to roll, and if it lands on anybody blue, I'm going to give away 4 packs. Anything else is going to be 1 pack, and if it's a 5 or the 6, I'm going to give away this gold quad of Revive, Summing, Esposito, and Savard. So, I'm hoping to give that away, because it's been a while. So, let's go. Good luck. And it's a 14. And 14 is 1 pack. Boo. And that 1 pack is going to be my very last pack of Icebreakers. And that's going to go off to number 9. And number 9 is the drop team and Stock Exchanges. So, you'll stock your 3 for 3 on bonuses. Good way to begin. Rigged. And we're gonna go to our box. It is break 94. It is a hot box by process of elimination, and the serial number is ending in 206. Seal box. Oh, that was weird. There are 10 packs. Empty box. Good luck. And it's not a hot box. What? There's no way it can't be a hot box. We got ripped. I had to go through those videos. Anyways, Bannerkane, Dedenby, Ennis, Franson. That is so stupid. And Whitney. And we start off with a base pack even. Well, it was the last box in the case. And we didn't hit it. I don't remember hitting it. So. We got Giordano, Eric Stahl, Carey Price, Vladimir Gold, Matt Molson, Spacer, and nice, it's a for the Montreal Canadiens and stock exchanges. Going 4 for 4. You got Andrei Markov. That's numbered 18 of 25. Off to a good start, and that sucks. I'm a little bit pissed off right now. Oh, we got a prime that'll help make up for it. And interesting. We got Corey Perry, Subban. Oh, 4 cards in this pack. JVR, Spacer, and certified potential for Edmonton and Hammond. Jordan Eberle. Another mem card. And it's a base pack. Okposo, Dubinsky, Couture, Kovalchuk, and Camel Toe. Another mem card. Sajak, Duchesne, Stahl, Schneider, Spacer, and the Minnesota Wild and Crow, I think. Yep. Nicholas Backstrom. We got Callahan followed by Dubinsky, or Stepan, followed by Kessel, followed by Lettinen. We'll put the Kessel away for a minute. There's our Spacer, and for the New York Islanders and Riley, you got Mark Kadick, who apparently writes in Chinese. But for the Kessel, I get to go.
It's a ship that made the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs.
And we're going to open a bunch of stuff here. I'm going to start with, that I really am limited on my bonus packs. I got a couple Crown Royals. And we'll pick out our Ginla out of this pack of mint. So we got for the Anaheim. Ooh, we got a parallel. Nice. And it looks like it's Joe Sakic. We got for Anaheim and Sean. You got Timu. And we got a gold Joe Sakic. First one of these I pulled. And yeah, there we go. Iggy. Man, that's like every 9 out of 10 packs is Iggy. It's unreal. And we got base, followed by a Rob Niedermeyer for Anaheim parallel. And this will be out of 99, numbered 47. Goes to Sean. We got George Laraque looking brilliant. Justin Williams. We got a mem card for Ottawa and Jay Mills. It's Antoine Vermette. That's out of 650. Brad Richards, McCauley, and Doug Waite. Ruchin, Mara, Jose Theodore, Pronger. And here we have between Dallas, a drop team, and Stock, and Mills, and Philly. I'm going to roll for that one in a second. Spacer, Sakic. We got a Hayduke blue out of 850, and Mikey Moe. So 1 to 15 going to Dallas. Anything else is going to Philly. It is a 28. Card goes to Jeremy Roenick and Philly. And let's do the custom pack number 3 that Mog wanted. Let's see what's in there. The mem card in there. We got for Vancouver, Shooter's Edge, Pavel Bure. But for the St. Louis Blues, Brian Sutter. We got a really nice beat up Bill Ranford rookie card for Boston. We got a Wayne Gretzky hologram for Edmonton. We got a Felix Potvin hologram for Toronto Antiques. We got a Ultimate Team Mark Streit for the Islanders and Riley. And we got Scott Hartnell dual mem for Philly. Not bad. Not a bad pack at all. And let's go on to our last unopened pack of the so-called hot box. Never gonna call hot box again. We got Vincent, we got Havlat, we got Jackman, we got a Mirror Red, and Patrick Sharp. A spacer, and the Tampa Bay Lightning and the new guy, 1976 Bork. We got Dwayne Rollison, number 73 out of 199. There you go, welcome to my breaks. And let's move into the mem cards here. Pavelski, Brodeur. Got a low numbered card here. David Booth, Louis Erickson, Ryan Smith, and oh, that's gorgeous. For the Buffalo Sabres and All for Kinds, we got a Canada die cut of Derek Roy. Very nice. Just a black swatch, but it's number 22 of 25. We still got a prime to go, so not a horrible box. Michael Neuver, Jamie Benn. We got something out of 99. That's odd. Unless it's a blue materials. We got Zetterberg. We got Spezza. We got Lupul. And oh, it's a short print. And where's Casualties? He's not with the Devils tonight. So Mrs. O. We got a short print fabric of the game, Marty Brodeur. Well, I pulled that Brodeur sweater last night and got the shorter print, 12 of 99. And I'm sure Kaz will want that one. And let's move on to our prime. We got Ovechkin, Timu, Gabrick, Ryan Clough, and Markstrom. And oh wow. And Buffalo hitting it big because we got a Drew Stafford prime gold, black and or blue and yellow, numbered 7 out of 25. And there you have it. So I get to go and say that, well, this card is good enough to win it. So enjoy your full refund, kinds. Let me know when you've seen the video. I'll get it back to you. And let's move on to our black box mystery. Of which I'm going to be pulling 10 pulls because it wasn't a hot box. So, what I get for bad advertising. It wasn't a terrible box, but I'm glad the break didn't sell for that super high. So let's go. Number 1 is a 5. 5 is Riley in the Hurricanes. So you're going to get a Frank Mahovlich out of 99, $9.99. And a more Leafs, Marcel Mueller and Keith Ollie rookie cards. Number 2 is an 11. And that is Hammond with Edmonton. You're going to get a Marian Hossa SB Excitement of $9.99. And a Blake Jeffrey-on rookie card. And a Blake Jeffrey-on rookie card Rainbow. Not bad. Number 3 is number 3. And that's Kynes. Buffalo keeps on giving. Eric Stahl at $9.99. And Winter Classic Scott Hartnell along with a Mike Richards. Number 4 is a 25, and that is Tom. You got a you got St. Louis, and you ended up with the St. Louis Alex Pietrangelo out of 100. Really good defenseman. And a Peter Stastny Mini and a Peter Stastny Legend. And 6 is a 6. This is getting strange. That is Chalmerson. You got David Backus Red Mirror out of 199. And Al McInnes Legend with a Stamkos Stat Kings. Number 7 is a 13. That's All for Kinds free team. You got a 2 cards. Fail. Pull again. You got a Vasyunov autograph. That's a kid who died in a plane crash, I believe. From Contenders. And Shattenkirk Rainbow Retro with a Shea Weber Rainbow. And number 22 is Stock Exchanges. You're going to nab yourself a Jan Sauve rookie card out of 99. That's an Emerald Mirror. And Sardine Sister, Sardine Sister. So we have to open another bonus pack for that. And 2 more, I think. Number 30 is Teeks. You're going to get Clark Gillies out of 99. It's a Legend Emerald. Along with a Nabokov saves and some Ottawa thingy. And last one is a 19. And that is Sigpa. Maybe I'll pull a Ranger for you. Nope. Triple Diamond Spezza. And a Legend highlights with a Chris No Good. Or whatever. Rainbow. 20 minutes long, so I'll see you guys on the next video where I'm going to find the balance.